Welcome to our third video for Module 4, Principles of Prioritizing Your SMART Goals. When it comes to prioritizing, always start with the end in mind. Now that you have written some SMART goals for your final decisions, the next step is to prioritize them. Your SMART goals support your strategies, your end outcomes, and your vision statement. It is important that your SMART goals meet a need, have an impact, and have a time urgency connected to the final decision. On the template, use an H for high, M for medium, and L for low for each need, impact, and time urgency section in relation to each of your SMART goals. Now we will look at the case study for an example. And so let's focus on the second end outcome of equipped leaders and the third strategy of leadership workshops. So you can see for the first SMART goal, it says that on December the 15th to send out a leadership questionnaire amongst ministry leaders, asking what their felt needs are and what leadership topics they are interested in learning about for next year. The need is at a medium level and the impact is high because it will enable us to cater the future workshops to the felt needs of the ministry leaders and equip them in areas where they feel are lacking. Also, by collecting this information, it means that we are able to run workshops that the leaders are interested in and more likely to attend. This will also help them to be more effective in their ministry, and so the impact of this goal is high. It also has a high time urgency because this needs to happen in order for the following goals to be effective and achieved. As you can see, the next SMART goal of inviting guest speakers has a high need and a high impact, as this will involve getting and booking in experienced guest speakers to invest into the ministry leaders, equipping them with the tools and resources they need. You can also see that it doesn't have the same time urgency as the first one, and so is labeled at a medium level. When you have finished analyzing your SMART goals in terms of need, impact, and urgency, look over all the SMART goals and for each of your end outcomes, begin to prioritize them. Decide which ones you want to do first, and then the next, and the next, and label them on the template in alphabetical order from A to Z, A being the highest priority. It is important to note that sometimes time urgency is a strong priority, whereas other times resource allocation may be your highest priority. Maybe sometimes the need for communication might be your first priority. You are your best judge as to what comes first. So once you have completed your prioritization, you may need to go back and view the completion dates you have set on your goals so that they line up with what you have prioritized.